What's up, boners? The Skull Seeker here. Today we are unboxing the last two skulls that I got from the last order, because last time I ordered a big brown bat and a brown rat, and the big brown bat came with too big of a jaw, and the brown rat came with too small of a jaw. So the seller agreed to ship these to me, not only just the jaw as a replacement, but an entire skull as a replacement too. So I have full-size replacements for both. So move that to the side. Our first one, here we go. And as always, they're hard to get a grip on. And I'll probably have to remove some supports. Oh, this is covered in resin. Okay, so I got the resin off, and here is the brown rat skull. So this is the full-size jaw, and of course it doesn't want to focus very well in this lighting, but that goes right here. And there we go. Brown rat. Then and I'm gonna remove the supports really quick. Okay, and I got the supports out. We're gonna do a 2x zoom, and at the bottom jaw here. So finally, we have the correct size bottom jaw for the big brown bat. So that just rests in right about here. Let's see. Gotta get it lined up right. It's hard with a skull this tiny. Okay, there. Really hard to get that lined up, but that is the big brown bat skull from the side view. Here's the bottom view and the front view, top and front view, and the top view. So it would look like about like this when the oh, it doesn't want to focus. It would look about like that when the mouth is open. And there it is with the mouth closed. So yep, super cool. Big brown bat. And then the brown rat. Oh. So there's the size comparison between the brown rat and the big brown bat. It's got some hair on it from sitting on the couch, but there they are. So yeah, super cool. And so now I have the replacements for the ones that were too big and too small. So now we have the accurate size jaws for both of these. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.